single log. Now this afternoon, we're going to build skills to do the opposite. Let's expand things completely. Let's break it all apart. So one way that they could ask this question is this one. Write each expression in terms of log A, log B, log C. Sometimes this same question has the following command. Expand completely. So if we think about our formulas, and we wrote them out in green, in blue, in red, simplify and combine as a single log is writing everything on the left-hand side. Expanding, making things bigger, you want to write everything as it appears on the right-hand side. So we will often start with a single logarithm, like this one, and you want to write it out as big as possible. And we're going to use some of the same shortcut things that we started to discover when we were combining them. So I'm going to attempt to write, not combine is the thing that drives on fields, but combine, to put things together, and expand. You don't have to write this down. But if we think about example 2, when we were combining things, we had to use one of the laws first before we used the other ones. Which color law, green, blue, or red, did we do first when we combined them? Do you remember? The green one, right? We put whatever, if there was a number in front, we weren't allowed to use the blue or the red formula, because the blue and the red formula don't have any numbers in front. So when we were combining them, we always used the power law first, and then second we did the product or the quotient laws. Does it make sense that when we expand, we have to undo what we did when we combined? And so when we expand, the first thing that we're going to do, oh, wait for it. Is our product and quotient laws. And then secondly, wait for it, click it, yes. Then, secondly, we do our power law. So what does that look like? Well, are we multiplying or dividing at all in this one? Yes, we're dividing. So the first thing you're going to do in A is write the dividing as a subtracting. Do we have any powers? Yes. So the second thing that we can do is bring that power out in front. And this is expanded completely. This is written in terms of log A, log B, and log C. When it says in terms of log A, it means you just want log A by itself. It can have numbers in front, but no numbers inside of it. And you just want log B by itself. It can have numbers in front. It has a 2 in front. That's okay, but nothing inside of it. So when we had the b squared, that's not in terms of log B yet. So for the second one, do we have any multiplying and dividing? Yes. And this is where that shortcut that we developed in the last one comes to. We have 2 things multiplied in the top, only 1 thing on the bottom. Whatever's in your numerator will be added. So this will be log A squared plus log B to the 1/3, and then whatever's in your denominator will be subtracted, minus log C. So first we'll do our power and quotient, or say product and quotient laws. Then we'll look, are there any exponents? Yes, that 2 can come out in front. The 1/3 can come out in front. And this is written in terms of log A, log B, or log C. (14, 15, and 16 for practice. And we are going to do example 4 right away.